As we just saw, when you have a local IPFS server running, you will have a gateway which is defined over here. And you can just access this to, or use this to access the content. So here I have an example which addresses the local host, the IPFS, and then the key afterwards. And when I retrieve that, I just get the text output out of this. Not only can you do this with your local server, but you can also do that with nodes which are on the internet. So one of them is ipfs.io. So that is actually the same like this one. You put after it ipfs with the key. So I have here ipfs.io/ipfs and the key. And when I retrieve that, I get the same output, Web3 examples. So how do you know which servers there are on the internet? Well, there's this link also provided by IPFS. It's a gateway checker, and it has actually a list of all those gateways and checks if they're available and what the performance is. And as you can see, the green ones are available, but there are also quite a lot of them are not available. So this is moving sometimes, and there are things added and removed to it. And you can also use multiple of them and choose one of those to interact with it. Well, if you can retrieve it like this, you can also, of course, retrieve that from JavaScript. And I've made a small example in JavaScript to see how you can do that. So I've got the source over here. And what it's doing over here, it takes the hash, prepends ipfs.io/ipfs here and just calls the fetch function. So it retrieves the output, then converts that into text and shows that on the screen. So that's what you see here in the HTML. It's the same output again.